Good morning. This is Ben from Regal Equipment. Today we have an A&K Development power cutter available. This unit is a hand-fed corn cutter or sheller, so it will remove the corn from the cob. The way the machine works is the cob is fed in through the hand feed conveyor, capable of feeding approximately 1.25 tons of corn per hour. And of course, that is operator dependent. The cob comes tip first through the cutting housing. We'll open up the cutting housing for you. The cob is gripped by a set of feed rollers and then a secondary set of feed rollers, which feeds it into a 3AR corn cutting head. The 3AR corn cutting head is adjustable. It has a gear on the back that is cammed, which allows for a fine adjustment here with a hand knob adjustment. The cob, after it's been cut, is gripped by a set of stainless steel rollers, which will discharge the cob out to this side. Your finished cut corn comes out the bottom here. There is a fine water mist that can be used to reduce the starch buildup and the product buildup within the cutting chamber. It really does help out. So we'll close this up here. They do have a really neat little latch setup here that they used. AK did a very nice job on this design. The cutter is operated through a set of operator controls, which has stop, start, an e-stop, and a reverse switch in case you do get a jam. And it also has a jam release here for the cob rolls. The cutting chamber is driven by a 1.5 horsepower electric motor that is directly driven here mechanically. The feed rolls and the in-feed conveyor are run by hydraulic motors, which are operated by a central power pack under here that's integrated into the frame. There is a control box in the back that is integrated for the controls, as well as the safety switch on the cutting head. A&K did a really nice job here on the lubrication system. They did a central manifold with one grease point for all your grease and lubrication. And then there is a gravity-fed oiler that feeds the cutting head to oil the cutting head in particular. What we're going to do next for you is start the machine up. We'll run some sweet corn. We'll show you what that finished product looks like, as well as the stripped cob. And then we'll just finish the video out. If you have any questions or anything like that, please leave them in the comments. Really appreciate it. Appreciate you watching us today. This is the finished cut quality corn and the separated cob from the cut. We appreciate you watching our video today. If you have any questions in regards to this corn cutter, the corn husker that we have available, other corn cutting equipment that we have in stock or that we have access to, please give us a call. Regal Equipment has a full line of food processing equipment that we can assist you with. Please give us a call at 330 325-9000, or email us at sales, SALES, at regalequipment.com, and one of us would be happy to help you. Again, thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our video. Bye-bye.